Hey, it's Design Guy here. I'll show you how to create eye-catching circular text in Canva. Super easy! Click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter 200 by 200 pixels for the dimensions. This sets your canvas to a 200 by 200 pixel workspace for this tutorial. Select the elements you want, then apply the circular effect from the toolbar options. Type circle in the search bar to find circular elements quickly. This helps you locate and select the perfect circle shape for your design. Navigate to the Graphics tab in the software interface. Select the text tool, then click to add a heading. Type any text you want directly into the heading box. This allows you to customize and add titles or labels easily in your project. Type your text in the input box. Next, click the text tool and select Curve. Apply the curve effect to your text. Use the adjustment handles to modify the curve precisely to your preference. This allows for customized text shaping, enhancing your design. Experiment with different curve values until you achieve the desired look for your project. Select the element containing your text. To edit, click on the text box and type your content directly. Use the toolbar to customize font, size, and color. After making changes, click outside the box to save. This straightforward method lets you quickly update text within any design element. Click Share and then Download when you're satisfied with your design. Don't forget to save your work. Resize the image to maximize quality. Then click the download button to save the best version of your picture to your device. Now you know how to wrap text around a circle in Canva-like, and subscribe for more design tips.